Hello friends, welcome to my channel Megapixel Beast, and today I am going to share my camera experience about recently launched Realme 7i. I got Fusion Green Blue variant of Realme 7i. Price of this phone is approximately 12,000 rupees. Let's start with camera specification. The Realme 7i comes with 64 megapixel primary camera. The quad camera setup of Realme 7i also features 8 megapixel ultra wide followed by 2 megapixel black and white portrait and 2 megapixel 4 cm macro lens. Coming to front camera, Realme 7i features in-display selfie camera. Here we done with camera specification. Let's perform some camera test for checking camera quality. As you can see here, we are shooting from inbuilt camera. Inbuilt camera provides filters, AI mode, HDR and flash features. You can switch from normal to ultra wide on one touch. Now we are capturing photos in different mode for testing purpose. Here you can compare quality of images. Overall camera quality is very good. Let's move forward. Now it's time to check 4 cm macro lens. You can find this option in More section. Just tap on Ultra Macro. 4 cm macro lens means camera will focus at 4 cm distance. This is good for capturing macro shot. Due to 2 megapixel, you will get low resolution pictures. Let's test the primary camera, which is 64 megapixel. You will get 64 megapixel separate tab in a camera. Here you can see quality of 64 megapixel camera. Here we done with camera tests. Let's perform video test. Realme gave stabilization, cinema mode, Slo-Mo and time-lapse in this phone. These features are available in video mode. Currently you are watching footage of normal view with 1080p 30 fps. You can find slow motion option in More section. Here the result of slow motion video. At last, I am testing time-lapse feature. Here you can see sample video of time-lapse. So here we have done test for Realme 7i. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.